Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Daki spangot kipat ba na kaleng kisnong jong kasora constituency kila tuat ban wan snga bi kijingkular jong kihe nong ilam kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party na Delhi balawan ban a jingkran kerpang haga jialang kabala pelong dau MLA barem kani ka constituency Dr. PW Khongji kabala pelong haka arpun retorik mentau bana Risau Hamadan marai kaphan hak snong sora hakani kasngi ki arngot kihe nong ilam jong kaseng BJP na Delhi ki balawan ban yalap election hasora ki kentop yo menteri jong kasarkar pedeng ubakmi yakatna tourism u Alphonse Kanan Thanam ubadai khmi ru yak jala Meghalaya kikam election baru no aktien jong ne kaseng Unalin Koli na kinong ilam jong ne kaseng na kani kajala lai don rangkat ru ba je eling do bat kiwi haswa baki he nong ilam ka BJP na Delhi kin a jingkren ningkong e alayo ka jingkren na kinong ilam ki bana kani kajala ki bala pengsan ha aktien kasi ye ki jingkular jong ne kaseng sau pai ba
सबका साथ सबका विकास कने कने का स्लोगन जंग प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी हम सबका साथ सबका विकास कमut barok ini emlang barok ini railang barok ini kiulang bat barok ini syang palilang hi shanti shanti kemut ni kuai ka peace and harmony kene kene ka slogan jang ka BJP tenomor kada nakwa ban kene fi bot ia ka BJP hakane ka kenti ka mamta ar hajar khatfra latikna baka BJP kan wana ka madu badde maka kabani alam ya sarkar om da kiwe pat kiseng
kum bakalong menta ki kertong ki bala pau khmat na ka benta banyak khon yak election MLA na sora na ka seng BJP ki don hadu arngon henre hebatwa jimon na kini ki he jong ka BJP na Delhi ki lapen pau hela ka jong kania bayano anatikan patru ki lapen sha helor ka thong jong ka BJP halor ka jingsa kan tho ba ka seng BJP ka de ka seng ka ba persha ki balang kristan.
Well, we will recommend whoever the people of this place choose. If the people of this place choose somebody, they show a preference for somebody, he will certainly be the candidate.
Dr. Khongji lost the last election narrowly. He joined our party. He is one of the leading aspirants. And when he's done a successful thing, we are here to assess and carry that message to the central leadership. And obviously, we do put a lot of we do lay a lot of credence and importance to those who have already had a track record of serving the people, like a doctor, one who has got elected. So he's a very leading candidate.
People of Meghalaya, they need education, they need opportunities for the young people to work here. All this can happen only if we have a corruption-free government, and that can happen only if the BJP comes to power. We are not giving away gifts like the Congress government, and that gift goes into the pocket of the politicians. We are here to deliver things. We will go and study this, we will plan it out, and then we will see what we can do. But let me assure you, there is immense potential for tourism in Meghalaya, and we shall certainly ensure that that is developed and used.